The gloss black Jeep Gladiator D-Coder concept carries more than 35 JPP and Mopar accessories, each painted in contrasting Maraschino red and labeled with QR, quick response, codes, making this high-performance off-roader a rolling catalog of factory-tested and factory-backed items available for customer purchase. Each scannable QR code provides a live link to the Mopar e-store consumer website for specific part numbers, specifications, and pricing information. Enhanced QR codes on the bedside and hood link to the current JPP catalog. Up front on the Gladiator D-Coder concept is a Rubicon 3-piece modular bumper carrying a single hoop tubular grille and winch guard with a pair of TYRI 7-inch LED off-road lights just above a Rubicon Warn winch. A JPP 2-inch lift kit with Fox shocks helps provide ample room for the JPP 17 by 8.5-inch 5-spoke beadlock wheels riding on BFGoodrich KM3 37-inch tires. Inside the truck bed, which is protected by a spray-in textured Mopar bed liner, a set of mounted Mopar bed rails, TYRI low-profile cargo basket for additional storage space.